Before we begin, take a deep breath. Inhale calmness and exhale every worry. Welcome to Zen Shift, a space made for your peace of mind. Before we go further, I have a heartfelt request. If this video touches your heart, brings peace to your thoughts, or even a single smile to your face, please leave a good comment below. And if it doesn't connect with you, if you feel it missed something, write your honest feedback too. Because your comment isn't just for us. It helps other people decide whether they should spend their time here or not. Your words guide new listeners. And for us, your time and your feedback are more valuable than anything. We don't want to waste even a single minute of your life. We want every moment you spend here to bring calm, healing, and transformation. Now, let's begin this journey. To understand the fayed of meditation and the nukasan of ignoring it. When you meditate daily, your mind becomes still, your emotions balance, and your heart finds clarity. You stop reacting to the world and start flowing with it. Peace becomes your natural state. But when you live without meditation, stress builds silently, thoughts grow noisy, and even small things begin to feel heavy. You lose connection, not with the world, but with yourself. That's why Zen Shift exists. To remind you that peace isn't found outside, it's created inside. When you wake up, your first thoughts shape your entire day. Before reaching for your phone, just breathe. Listen to the silence. Feel your heartbeat. That's where real meditation begins, not in temples or apps, but within your awareness. Every breath becomes a prayer of calm. Imagine walking into a beautiful garden at sunrise. Soft golden light touches your face, the air smells fresh, flowers open slowly. And for a moment, everything feels perfect. No noise, no rush, just peace. This is what we call the Zen shift. A gentle change from chaos to calm, from pressure to presence. Happiness doesn't come from doing more. It comes from feeling more. From noticing the little things, a smile, a breath, a moment of stillness. When your mind is calm, your energy becomes magnetic. Your presence itself heals the space around you. So today, slow down. Let this morning be your restart. Breathe deeply, smile gently. Be thankful for the sun, the air, and the life that still flows through you. Every second you choose peace, you transform your world. That is your Zen shift. And remember, your time is precious. And we're honored that you chose to spend it here with us. Thank you for being part of this journey. Now, just breathe and be.